we'll talk about how can you block a country code on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on block, then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down, you come here to country code, just click on it. Then here you select a country here, you select here country code. So then you click here on block, then it's going to block with you on your Truecaller app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking